everyone, in this Oclef video we will be going over the radio tool. The radio tool is a stage 3 tool commonly used to address memory issues when practicing a piece. The easiest way to visualize the radio tool is to imagine an actual radio. When we are playing music from a radio, we can turn the radio off at any time, but the music is still being played from the station. So if I start the radio at the beginning of a song, then turn it off for a minute, when I turn it back on, the song is still playing, but a minute later into the piece. We are going to apply this idea with the radio tool. For this tool to be most effective, it is best to have another person with you. However, you can also use this tool on your own. To begin, you simply start playing your piece, and then the other person or yourself says stop, and you simply stop playing the piece. However, you keep the piece going on in your head, and you remember where you would be going had you not stopped the piece. And then when the other person or yourself says go, you simply pick up the piece where you would have been playing had you not stopped in the first place. I am going to now demonstrate this with a short section of Bach's Minuet in G. I will play the piece for a few measures, and then I will stop, and then afterwards I'll keep it going in my head, and after a few seconds, I'll begin playing again as if I had not stopped playing. Remember, this tool is really only effective for pieces that you know really well but are having trouble starting at certain points, or simply having memory lapses with. And this concludes our video on the radio tool. Thanks for watching.